Today topics Bluetooth and satellite presented by Dr. T. Ravichandran, Professor and Head the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Katpagam College of Engineering. First topic Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a wireless LAN technology designed to connect devices of different functions such as telephone, notebook, computers, cameras, printers, and so on. A Bluetooth LAN is an ad hoc network, which means that the network is formed as spontaneously. We have to use that. The Bluetooth layer. The Bluetooth used for the time division multiple access, that is called TTT, and time division multiple access. The time division multiple access is kind of half duplex communication. Previous classes we very well known from the full duplex, simplex, and half duplex communication. Half duplex communication, at that time the sender to send the data, the receiver wait for the all the frames are received. After that the sender completely they send the packets, the receiver wait for that, the receiving all the packets sent to the acknowledgement. At that time the sender to operated at the sending packets, or otherwise the receiver to send the packets. The one side to be two ways, and at that time only one type of communication to be performed for the half duplex communication. However, the direction used for the different hopes. It is similar to that you can different carrier frequencies. The audio and control, data, applications, and baseband layers and radio layers. The single and secondary communication, the primary data are sent to the center. The secondary data are received from the receiver. At the same time, the second data to be sent to the center, or primary data station to be sent to the data, and second stations to be received from the particular time to be on the data. The same two type of the links can be created between the primary and secondary. One is the SCO, the synchronous connection oriented link. Second one is the ACL, asynchronous connectionless link. The frame format for the Bluetooth, first one is the 72-bit access code and 54-bit header, and number of how much data are accessed, 0 to n bits. 0 to n bits, 244 is a first slot frame, and 1493 frames are there, and n is a fifth 5 slot frames are there. 2740 bits are assigned for the particular frame size. The header is forming a address is 3 bits, type as the 4 bits, and FAS as a each 1 bits, and HE is a 8 bits. These are 18 bit for the respective frames. The access code and header addresses type FAS and HEC bits are framing for structure for the frames for the Bluetooth network. Second one is the satellite networks. Satellite networks, the combination of nodes, sum of which satellites provides the communication from one point to another earth other points. A node in the network can be satellite, the earth stations, or end user terminals or telephones. Although the natural satellites such as the moon can be used as a relay node is the network. The three categories of the satellite used for the satellite network, one is the GEO, the satellite is geometric earth orbit. MEO satellites, middle Earth orbits. LEO satellites are low Earth orbits. The based on the location and orbit, the satellite divided the three part. One is the GEO, MEO, and LEO. GEO, the geometric Earth orbits. MEO, middle Earth orbits. LEO, lower Earth orbits. The 0 to 5,000 kilometers for the LEO and more than the 0 to 15,000 kilometer. The range you can use for the satellites are MEO, the middle Earth orbits, and 0 to 35,000 kilometers, more than above 35,000 kilometers available satellites are called as the geometric Earth orbits and GEO satellites. The GEO satellites, the geometry Earth orbits, the satellites move faster and slower than the Earth rotation is useful only for the short period. Ensure the constant communication, the satellite must move the same speed as the Earth so that the seam remaining fixed above the constraint spot. Each satellites are called the geometric satellites. The satellite, they move rotation for the Earth at the same time, the same speed, move rotation for the satellite also. That type of satellites called the geometric Earth orbits. The second one is the middle Earth orbits. The global position systems, one of the each example, MEO satellite systems are global positions of the GPS. The system consists of 24 satellites, is used for the land, sea and air navigation, provide the time location for the vehicle and ships. GPS is used for the 24 satellites in the 6 orbits. The low Earth orbits, LEO, the satellite low Earth orbits, the satellites have the polar orbits. The longitude is between the 500 kilometers to 2000 kilometers with rotation period of 90 to 120 minutes. The satellites have speed of 20,000 to 25,000 kilometers per hour. The LEO system usually has the cellular system of access for similar to the cellular telephone systems. The same condition, the Bluetooth network and satellite networks for this topic today, we are concentrate for the satellite networks as the three type of satellites, geo satellites and middle earth satellites and lower earth satellites. Thank you for watching this topic. Thank you for all.